Startups for us are like a holiday. We get new breath of air, new ideas, and much more, let's say, exciting people to work with.
So we are in Stockholm at ScaleAble Matchday number 2, and this time the event theme is within energy and green transition. During day 1 we had a bunch of workshops. We also had a pitching competition, but it was a reverse pitch, so corporates got to pitch before the startups. And during the second day we're having all the matchmaking meetings.
Today's meetings went really well. I mean, the companies that were picked were, if they didn't have a good counterpart today, they would already link you to the next one that would actually hit you with the correct, counterparts.
I really like all the networking. People are so interested in understanding each other's companies and the challenges, and it's so open and discussion everywhere. So it's really, the energy in the room was really high.
I believe that the project is very important especially for startups and corporates as well. It's very important to meet other startups, to have different kind of discussions, to learn from each other in the experience, what they're doing, and then have informal discussions also with corporates to really understand what are their needs and what are they looking for.
The best for me for this event was definitely meeting all the people, having a space where we get to get together with corporates and other startups, all that have the same mission of sustainability in mind, and really get to meet the people behind the LinkedIn profiles, the people behind the mission.
I like the collaboration actually over the borders, because all these countries, Finland, Sweden and the Baltics, we are fairly small countries, so it's really important also to not let the borders limit us, but actually have cooperation across the countries and the borders.